Opening shot sees someone steps on a toy car and breaks it. A wider shot shows a home setting in which a father is angry with his little boy for not tidying up the toys. The father clenches his fists in anger and the little boy looks scared. The father asks,
講咗幾多次啲玩具擺好佢啊，係咪要打啊？
Close-up shot sees the little boy crying. In another family, a little girl is doing homework and her angry mother grabs a piece of paper from the table and questions her.
呢張咩嚟㗎？嚇？呢張咩嚟㗎？點解你溫極都唔識㗎？你可唔可以答我啊？
The mother crumbles up the piece of paper and throws it away. The little girl is terrified and anxious. Looking at her little girl, the mother pauses for a moment to ponder. Female voiceover says,
Scolding and beating will undermine the parent-child relationship and harm a child's physical and psychological development. Manage your temper and try to find more suitable ways of parenting.
Scene switches to see the father's clenched fist turns into a relaxed hand and he tidies up the toys with his little boy. The little boy is wearing a smile. The mother has also calmed herself down and is helping the little girl with her homework. And frame shows the slogan, Manage your temper, make parenting easier. The Social Welfare Department's logo and hotline 2343-2255. Female voiceover says,
If you need help, call the Social Welfare Department's hotline on 2343-2255.